Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your English class. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. I hope your mind is refreshed now. So, without much delay, let me tell you what we will be doing for this week. So, this week we will take a break, okay, and we will start revising for our periodic test. Today we will be doing the chapter Chakravarti Investigates. This is just a review, okay? So let's see if you remember the lesson, okay? And I'll be asking you some questions. I'll be just reviewing the story. So let's see if you remember the lesson, okay? So let's get started. Now, in the lesson Chakravarti Investigates, we know that the characters are Chakravarti, the little girl, her mother, and the policeman, right? We have 4 characters. The main character is Chakravarti because the whole story revolves around him. He is the one who takes the story forward. He is the main character. Okay, then we have the setting. The setting is the street below his window. Okay, you will find that in the story he always sits at his window looking down at the street. Okay, so the setting is the street below his window. Now let's look at the events of the story. So the lesson Chakravarti, okay, it starts with Chakravarti wanting to become a detective. We see that he has a hat, a magnifying glass, an atlas, and a pair of binoculars. Now these are all things which a detective would have, right? If you want to become a detective, these are the things that you would have, just like the little boy in the picture, okay? Then we come to know that Chakravarti sits at his window the whole day and looks down at Patel Street, okay, hoping that he would find a crime to solve. So this is his dream. He wants to find a crime to solve, and he wants to be like the detectives, and he wants to go to America, right? So he wants to find a crime to solve. So let's see if he actually solves a crime or not. Now, as he is looking down at Patel Street, we find that the streets are very crowded because Diwali is coming. We all know that Diwali is the festival of lights, right? Diwali is coming. It's a very festival for the Hindus. It's a very important festival. So the streets are very crowded because people are doing lots of shopping. Okay. Now, when he's looking down from his window, okay, he suddenly sees a cow and a little girl. The little girl is standing all alone and she's eating an ice cream, okay. Now he observes the little girl for a little while. Then after a little while he notices a commotion down the street, okay. Once he notices this commotion, and when he looks more minutely, okay, he finds a lady, okay, who is waving her hands and talking to the policeman. She is crying and she is like waving her hands in a very random manner as if she is explaining something, okay. So he finds that there is a commotion going on. Now when he looks at the lady, he finds that she has red hair, and even the little girl, okay, he notices that she has red hair. He comes to the conclusion that they are related, okay, just by looking at the hair. Now when he comes to the conclusion that they are related, he just automatically realizes that it could be that the little girl is lost and the mother is looking for her, and that's why she is creating a commotion. And so he takes the little girl to her mother and he solves the case, and he also gets a reward from the mother, right? You can read the textbook to find out all the small details of the story. I have just given you the main events, but I would like you to read the story very, very minutely and find out all the small details that you need to know when writing your periodic test. Now let's talk about the character traits. This topic mostly deals with character traits, okay, so we will only be talking about Chakravarti today. Now we know that Chakravarti is patient, okay? So if I tell you, give me one character trait of Chakravarti and support this with evidence, you need to write he is patient or he is intelligent, and you need to give me one reason why he has these qualities, okay? So I'm saying he is patient. Why? Because he counted the number of shops on Patel Street, okay? He sat patiently at his window the whole day hoping to find a crime to solve. Now he's just a little boy, and do you think any of you, imagine if you were Chakravarti, okay? Would you be able to sit at the window the whole day and look out of the window just waiting for a crime to solve? I don't think so, right? Boys, yes? Can you do it? Can you sit at the window a whole day and look out hoping to solve a crime? Okay, so he's very, very patient. Okay, and then another point is that he wrote down all the names of the shops on Patel Street. So this is another point, okay? Many of us are very lazy. Leave counting the shops. We won't even write down their names, right? How many of you actually know how many shops are there on the street that you live? Or have you even written down the name of the shop? So he is very patient. Now he's intelligent. Just by looking, okay, at the little girl and the lady, and he notices their red hair, he comes to the conclusion that they are related. So over here, he is also very intelligent. There are other character traits which I have discussed about in the previous classes. You can even use those. So remember, if any question comes like give one character trait of Chakravarti and support it with evidence, you can write any character trait of your choice, and remember, you need to write the reason why you are choosing this character trait. Clear? So this is all about the lesson Chakravarti Investigates. For your homework, I want you to read the textbook nicely, and I will also be giving you some questions to work out with the answer key. So after you work out the questions, you may self-check your exercises and see if you are going on the right path. Remember, this is just for practice, okay? So no peeking, like I told you for your comprehension exercises. Do not go looking at the answers first and just copying down. Try to solve the answers, and then after you're done with everything, then check your answers and see if you are going in the right path. Some of you may get a little less, some of you may get a little more. It doesn't matter. This is just practice. Be honest, okay? This is something I've been always telling you even last year, that copying is not good. So for today's homework, do not forget, okay? I'll be giving you some question answers with the answer key. First, solve the questions by yourself. After that, use the answer key to check the answers. If you are going in a right way, that's very good. Excellent. In case you find that your answers do not have all the points that need to be there in your answer, you can always use the answer key to help you, okay, so that you can do well in your periodic test. Clear? So that's all for today, okay, and I'll see you in your next class, bringing some more revised topics for you to learn. So stay safe, okay, stay good, study well, and bye bye.